Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to change issue type in Jira. Navigate to the project, then click on list and click on the issue that you want to change. So in my case, I want to change this task to an epic. So I will click on it and then simply click on these three dots and select move. Now this will open up this new tab where I can simply move this task to be an epic. Then press next, and once this page is loaded, you can select to send an email for this update if you want. If you don't want to send an email, just click on next and then click on confirm right here. Now this issue will be migrated and it will be done pretty fast because this is only one issue, and if it's done you can click on acknowledge and it will show you this item, and as you can see it in fact is an epic. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.